When using multi-pair metal-clad cable, it's crucial to understand which circuits can coexist and which should be kept separate to prevent interference and ensure system integrity. Firstly, let's discuss devices that should never be run in the same cable, even if shielded. Power circuits should always be run separately. HVAC circuits should also not be run with the other low-voltage circuits. Lighting circuits, similar to power circuits, should be kept isolated in their own cable runs. Secondly, let's review which devices can be grouped together safely. Signaling line circuits, speaker circuits, strobe circuits, initiating device circuits such as pull stations and smoke detectors, and sound or bass circuits are generally compatible. To optimize your multi-pair metal-clad cable usage, consider creating dedicated bundles. A signal bundle can include signaling line circuits, speaker circuits, and initiating device circuits. A notification bundle can include strobe circuits and sound or bass circuits. Several additional factors should be considered during installation. Shielded multi-pair metal-clad cable is highly recommended to minimize electromagnetic interference. If the metal-clad cable is installed in conduit, opt for non-metallic conduit to avoid potential ground loops. Proper grounding of all shields is essential to prevent electromagnetic interference and ensure safety. For long cable runs, select multi-pair metal-clad cable with a low capacitance to maintain signal integrity. In areas with fire safety concerns, always choose metal-clad cable with a fire retardant jacket. Here's an example of a 12-pair shielded multi-pair metal-clad cable configuration. Pair 1 and 2 can be used for signaling line circuit number 1. Pair 3 and 4 can be used for signaling line circuit number 2. Pair 5 and 6 can be used for speaker circuit number 1. Pair 7 and 8 can be used for speaker circuit number 2. Pair 9 and 10 can be used for strobe circuit number 1. Pair 11 and 12 can be used for strobe circuit number 2. This configuration keeps incompatible devices in separate bundles and ensures proper signal integrity and overall system performance. Keep in mind local and national electrical codes when installing these circuits, and always consult a qualified electrician for complex installations. Using these guidelines will help you effectively and safely utilize multi-pair metal-clad cable for various low-voltage applications.